Extra spaces before text strings in cells are known as leading spaces. When you copy a text from external sources like web pages, database, and paste in Excel, it may contain leading spaces, which is very difficult to point out with a naked eye. Using the trim function removes extra spaces from right, left sides, and it also removes extra spaces between words. Sometimes you may want to keep the spaces between words to make your data better readable, but want to get rid of leading spaces. You can use a combination of formulas to get rid of only leading spaces in a text. We can get rid of only leading spaces in a text with the help of a combination of find, mid, trim, and len Excel functions. We have addresses in column A which contain different types of extra spaces, leading spaces, trailing spaces, and extra spaces in between words. Mid and trim function helps to find the first text character in a string. Mid returns a specific number of characters from a text string starting at the position you specify based on the number of characters you specify. The first argument for the mid is the text, which is the trimmed text from A2. The extra spaces are trimmed along with the leading spaces from A2. Start number, the position of first character you want to extract in text. Pass value as 1 as we want first character. Number of characters specifies the number of characters you want mid to return from text. We want only the first character, so pass as 1. The find function is used to return the position of a specific character or substring within a text string. Pass the first character returned by the mid function and the string from A2. Find returns the position of the first character in the string. Use another mid function which returns the entire text string starting at the position of the first text character. Pass A2 as the first argument. Pass the calculated position of the first character as second argument. Pass len of A2 as third argument. The starting position plus number of characters exceeds the length of text. So mid function returns the characters up to the end of text. Only the leading spaces before the text in A2 are removed, retaining extra spaces in between. Now copy the formula down using the fill handle. As the result, you will have two columns, original address with leading spaces and formula-driven trimmed addresses with leading spaces removed. Now replace the original address with the trimmed address. Select all cells with trim formulas and copy them. Click on the first cell in the original column and paste them. Simply copying the trimmed column over the original column will give errors. To prevent this from happening, you need to copy only values, not formulas. Now delete the column with formulas. There is another way to remove leading spaces by using trim function along with left, find, and replace functions. Calculate the position of the first non-space character in a string using find, left, and trim function. Use the replace function to replace the leading spaces with an empty string. Pass A2 as old text and 1 as start number. Position of the first non-space character 1 will give the number of spaces. Pass that to replace function as number of characters. Pass empty string as new text. The replace function replaces leading spaces with empty string, thereby removing only leading spaces in a text. Now replace the original addresses in column A with the trimmed addresses in column C and then delete column C. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.